Stay tuned for this wash day routine.
Throwing bomb beauty tips like confetti.
Hey, beating Bomb Baes, Grenade Mar here. Thanks for tuning in. Let's go ahead and talk about the elephant in the room. I have not been taking care of my hair the way I need to. So today I'll be showing you my wash day routine. How to get moisture back into your hair. Here's what you'll need to follow along. A detangling brush, a comb, water, a hair clip, 2 to 4, shampoo, conditioner, leave-in heat protectant, and a blow dryer. Products in this video will be listed below. If you're new here, thanks for watching. Tune in weekly every Sunday for more content. My hair is dry. Before washing, I'm going to moisturize my hair with Cantu Shea Butter Curl Activator all throughout my head. It's just a base to help me part my hair in sections. With the end of a Rataile comb, I'm going to part my hair into 2 to 4 sections. Oh, the struggle. I'm not even attempting to comb through my hair until it's wet. Twisting my hair up and pinning it with a hair prong. You want to twist all sections of your hair. And whatever you wear, you better own it, honey. I'm wetting my hair. Wetting my hair helps loosen my natural curls. It makes my hair easy to work with. Grabbing my detangling brush, I'm going to work through my moist hair from my ends to my scalp. I'm using Casa Sedia Hemp and Lemon Shampoo and Conditioner. You know I can't turn down freebies. I'm shampooing each section of my hair and really focusing on rubbing shampoo against my scalp. I'm really trying to scratch all the dandruff and debris out. Rinse. I'm conditioning from my scalp to my ends. Now I'm rinsing all the debris, the stress, the haters, basically my whole week out of my head. I'm towel drying, and now I'm about to prep for blow drying. I'm prepping with Lester's SCurl styling spray, Cantu Shea Butter Curl Activator Cream, and Cream of Nature Oil 7-in-1 Leave-In Conditioner. I'm detangling the products in my hair and serutes to avoid ripping any left behind knots. I'm blow drying with Cheese Rocket Blow Dryer on the low setting until I get impatient. There you have it, my wash day routine. Now, style as desired. Thank you for tuning into another bomb video. Subscribe for weekly videos every Sunday. Once a week just isn't enough, right? So check me out on my social media at Grenade_Mar. I'll be doing bomb beauty tips there too. We see you, girl, and I'll see you next video. May your day be as bomb as you are.